What's up, family? You already know what it is. Your boy Zay from Z-Line Pro, man, and we are out here at my boy shit, man. Right now, we just walking around. We seeing who I know. Don't mind the fur. It's a little cold out here. I do not feel like getting sick again. So, yes, I'm rocking the fucking fur today, and we just about to just walk around, look, see what's going on, see who's here, see who's not here, see what's going on, see what's not going on, and honestly, it doesn't look like it's nice, but it doesn't look like too much stuff is going on right now, so we're gonna get back to you guys in a quick. So what's good, Brody? Tell me your name, your information.
My name is JR. We got
Word.
a 240 SX. Is everything stock. We just gotta repaint it. It's the Acura and the SX color.
Okay.
And then we just changed the headlights. It's just nothing major, something small.
So what's under the hood right now, though?
Everything stock. It's just a stock KA. It's 1990.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then I got some Rep T 37s. They're all DSR ones.
How much you pushing? How much switches you pushing?
I think it's like 115. Not pushing nothing.
Not bad. You be swinging and shit sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes, not all the time.
Oh, man.
Trying to make it a show car.
I feel you. Oh, well, you definitely headed in the right direction, Brody, for real, for real.
Yeah.
So my brother was saying something about the wheel lock. Let's see. You mind if we step inside?
Yeah, of course. Look at my key.
Word. Oh man, guys, look at this motherfucker right here. You know what I mean? It's a lot of good. Oh my God, look at
You can take the
this.
same wheel out real quick so you can sit down.
Oh man. I don't even gotta sit down, Brody.
You good?
Yeah, I don't want you to adjust your joint because I'm tall, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I got long legs. But nah, bro, she's definitely a beautiful car, bro. And what's your Instagram, bro? So people can follow?
It's Junior's Chassis.
Okay,
So
say no more. So I'm
not basic.
gonna put your Instagram in the link, man. You know what I mean? So they can give you a follow and look at this beautiful build you got, dog.
I appreciate
Pleasure talking to you, bro.
You too, man.
You
Take
know what I
care.
mean?
God bless me.
You too, brother.
Thank you.
So we out here, and yeah, it's a couple two steps. You know what I mean, really nothing, really too much going on, man. But this is the first location out of 4, and hopefully, you know what I mean. You see what I'm saying? But in the meantime, we just chilling. You see what I'm saying? We vibing, we cooling. We gonna cool how we cool, we gonna move how we move, and we gonna keep it like that, you see what I'm saying? But yo, I appreciate everybody for supporting me, watching my videos, liking the pictures on Instagram, everything, man. I really appreciate it. And that's just really fueling me to like get more stuff, you know what I mean? Get more footage and everything. And I got a life-changing, basically, something life-changing happened to me today. And it's really something small, but it's big to me. And basically, the car, my car will be done very soon. Well, not done, but it'll be on the road, ready to do whatever very soon. So wait on that, man. Wait on that. We got some big things planned, and I know I keep saying that, but trust me. Like, I'm a whole different animal right now. I'm in my element. I got the fur on, and I got my brother with me, and it's just beautiful. So wait on everything that we got in store for y'all, man. Thank you for watching Z-Line Pro. And yo, stay tuned for everything and what tonight gotta bring, man. So, bow, wait for this shit. You know what that means? Second location. You know what that means? Tag them and bag them, boys. Oh, they coming. They coming. Since I wasn't driving, you know we had to take the Brody act. You see what I'm saying? You know we had to take the act out. Oh, we got the bike. We got the bikes pulling in. Yeah. Tell me about your car, bro. It's a beautiful car you got, dog.
Original M1. It's with the Evo Master on it. Suspension, powerful mirrors.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Okay. So now that that's out the way, what's under the hood, man?
Nah, the original B16.
Okay.
Yeah.
B16? Nice.
Yeah.
How much you pushing?
Nothing, it's stock.
Stock?
Yeah.
How much horsepower?
I don't know, from factory 160.
160?
On the engine, yeah.
Yo, but she is a beautiful, beautiful car. You got you bought those rims on it?
Yeah, I just got it for 1 week.
Oh man. Beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's
crazy. Guys, I would give y'all some videos, but honestly, it's just a whole bunch of two-stepping. And I know y'all get tired of two-stepping because I'm getting tired of hearing two-step. I'm getting tired of seeing two-steps. I want to see some drifting. I want to see some racing. I want to see something, you see what I'm saying? So hopefully later on they're going to turn up. Because I see some drifters in the cut, but they not popping out right now. I guess they waiting for the third and fourth. I don't know. I guess everything is just going to be two-stepping or something. So we gonna see what's going on. Hey, Scant, talk to him, cuz. Talk to him. Talk to the. Talk to YouTube, cuz. On the corner share. Yeah, that's your ride, baby.
Yeah, that's my ride, man.
Yeah,
Imported from Japan.
Paid
a lot of money for it.
Talk to him.
It wasn't that much, man. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Drive to the US of A, baby.
Telling you,
Way.
baddest car out here.
Sure.
You see what I'm saying? Rest in peace, Paul Walker. So, we back at the house. Another night. Complete. Oh man, I'm tired. Super duper tired. But still, at the end of the day, everything was successful. Made it home safe. Got some footage. Networked. All we gotta do now is just wait on the greatness. See what I'm saying? So we about to get to it, Brody. Y'all be safe. Thank y'all for watching. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace.